Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mubaraka Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are good and are safe at homes. I am so excited and pumped up for today's video. Firstly, because I am doing a makeup video after so long. Secondly, because I love how this look has turned out and I am so excited to share it with you guys. This look is going to be perfect for the upcoming Indian festive season and I'm sure you guys going to enjoy watching this tutorial. There is going to be a lot of blending with this makeup look, but if you're a beginner, don't worry. I'm going to explain each and every step while doing my makeup. And of course, this is a very versatile look and it is going to be perfect for all your Indian outfits. So without any further more talking, let's start with this makeup. So first is the base, and for that we need a good skin prep. I'm going to use India Skincare Honey and Clove Scar Reduction Face Cream. I have been loving this moisturizer. As you can see, I've used up a lot of it. This is a very hydrating moisturizer and it will suit all skin types. And it will also make sure that the foundation and the concealer won't crease. Next step is going to be primer, and for that I am using Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. Again, this is such a good primer for all skin types. It minimizes pores really well. Now give this a minute or two to settle down on your skin and then we'll move on to the next step. And now I'm going to color correct and cream contour my face. So contouring your face before foundation will give a very diffused look and it will look more skin-like instead of looking like a shadow that you have just created. And also you only need to color correct if you have a lot of skin discoloration or redness with the leftover acne marks. Or if you don't have any such skin issues, you can totally skip this step. So I'm taking this peach color corrector with the help of my fingers and I'll apply it on my under eyes. I'm using a very little amount and not a lot because I don't want to cake up my base. And for my redness, I'm using this green color corrector. Picking up this contour shade on my brush, I will contour my face. And with a fluffy brush, I'm just blending the contour. Moving on to the foundation, I am using the Color Bar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation. I chose this foundation because it is very lightweight and I don't wanted my makeup or base makeup to be really heavy or cakey. I want it to be very soft and subtle. You should always start with less product and see if you need more coverage. Then you can of course build up on the coverage. I will be spraying a little bit of setting spray on my face just so that my foundation looks more dewy and it will also help my foundation to blend easily. Using a beauty blender, I'm going to blend my foundation. So as you can see, this is what my base looks like. The contour looks very blended and very skin-like, and that's what we are aiming for. For concealer today, I'm going to be using Swiss Beauty HD Concealer in the shade 03 Pure Beige. By the way, I forgot to mention my shade in the Color Bar foundation. It's FC 3.2. I'm using very less product because I already have the coverage that I want. In order to blend this, I'm using this brush. Now I'll go ahead and set my face, and for that I'm using the Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder. Now if you have very oily skin, you can apply this powder all over your face to set it, and if not, you can just apply it under your eyes and around your mouth to set your concealer. Before applying the loose powder, make sure you don't have any creases under your eyes, otherwise you're just gonna set your creases in place. To set my face, I always use the Damp Beauty blender. For my blush today, I am using the Milani powder blush in the shade Tea Rose. Alright, we get on to the eyes now, and today I'm going to do a very versatile eye look which is going to go with almost all your outfits. And even if you don't have an eyeshadow palette, don't worry, I'm still going to tell you how you could achieve this eye look. For this look, all you need is a brown shade. It can be a lighter shade than this one as well, and a shimmer shade. Now if you have any eyeshadow palette, I'm sure you will have these two shades for sure, and if not, you can also use your contour shade and your highlighter. It will just do the same job. So first things first, I'm gonna pick the brown shade on a very fluffy blending brush and always tap off the excess. Now I'm gonna place this color all over my crease. As soon as I'm placing the color, I'm also blending it in circular motions. I'm also picking the same brown color and applying it as an eyeliner. Now I'm picking this golden shade with the help of my fingers and I will apply it all over my lids. Now with the help of this pencil brush, I will apply the same brown shade on my lower lash line. Now I'll create a very small wing liner using the Swiss Beauty Jet Black Wing Liner. So I went off camera and applied these lashes. They are from Pack in the variant Pack 53. Now if you're a beginner and you want to try out lashes, you can go for these lashes from Pack. They are very comfortable and very lightweight. You won't even feel like you are wearing lashes. But if you don't want to wear lashes, that is absolutely fine as well. You can just coat your lashes with some mascara and you will be good to go. Next up, I'm going to use highlighter, and this one is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. I'm using this highlighter brush in order to apply my highlighter. You can of course tone up or tone down this highlighter according to your requirement. Last step is of course lipstick, and for that I'm using the Iba Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Nude Alert. Lastly, I'm again going to set my face using the setting spray. So here is the complete look. I hope you guys try it out, and if you do, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, or you can also DM me. I would love to see your recreations. All the links to the products will be given in the description box below. So if you want to purchase anything, you can directly go from the link and purchase the product. So if you have made it till the end of this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It will help to reach out a lot more people. And please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss all upcoming videos. That is it for today's video. I shall see you soon in my next one. Bye.